Usually I let someone jump that high if it's their second time coming out with us. Alright guys, so at some point, you're going to see me hanging out of here looking like a superhero. Okay, you guys, seatbelts off. So go ahead and take your seatbelts off. It's for my lead safety swimmer who's looking under the water. My boat captain is looking on the water. Evan, our pilot, who's looking above the water. And then me, the cast master. I'm checking what everyone else is already doing. So 2 is 1, 1 is none. It's the military way. Cool beans? So when the seatbelt's off, I got 100% that this is 100% safe from all 4 entities. Look at these strangers I'll remember for the rest of my life on my video. This is awesome. I'm going to remind you, when you jump, at this point, guys, just so you know, you're typically really, really stable. Believe it or not, it's easier to stand up in the air than it is what we're doing right now. With all that wind pushing down on you, it actually makes it easier. Yep. Over here, I'm going to grab you. You're going to slide your butt down. You're going to have 3 points of contact. You're going to turn 90 degrees. You're going to stand up with the center of your foot on the step. And we're going to be like, this is freaking awesome. I'm jumping out of helicopters. I'm a 2nd grade school teacher. Going to be a 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade after that. And then we're going to go, what? Look at all the cool stuff spinning everywhere. We're going to get some videos of you. And then of me. And you. You. Us. What? I'm going to remind you before you jump. Remember. You're going to look to the horizon, you're going to cross your arms, you're going to cross your legs, and you're going to say,
points, right?
What's that?
That's no longer, oh, because that counts as 1 point?
No.
Okay, but
No.
at this point,
You're good, you're stepping off and say we. You didn't say we! FAA regulations can't get around it. And if we're really, really high, you got to say, wee! Twice. Wee. Over. Yep, so from here, I'm going to make sure I don't get any of your hair. Are you wearing a necklace at all?
No.
Okay, so go ahead and center of your foot on the step, just like that. And oh, look, you did your nails for this. You're okay. I got you a little bit, but we won't tell anybody. From here, I'm going to tell you it looks amazing. Look how amazing your toes look, man. All right, and from here, we're going to be like, we're jumping out of helicopters, and you're going to show me the best shaka you've ever had from Maui. You have better shakas than that. Let me see. Yeah! 2 shakas!
she's got Hawaiian Islands right there.
Hawaiian Islands. Oh, you have an octopus. Have you ever held an octopus?
Yes.
Okay, we'll try to find one today, too. Yeah, I'm really good at
Not
getting
in
them.
the wild.
Not in the wild? Where'd you hold what, calamari or eating it at the...
farm.
Put your shoes on if you want so you don't burn your feet. It's up to you. Yeah. Okay, so from here, again, I'm going to try not to grab your hair. And then we're going to be like, what? Shakas for everyone. I'm a Maui girl in a Maui world. All right, and then we're going to come out here and look at these small super jumps. Remind you to jump. Remember, cross your arms, cross your legs, look to the horizon. Bye-bye. Whee! Just like that. And what do you do when you hit the water? Big O for okay. Don't punch yourself. That was so funny. That little girl last time, she goes... no, you don't have to hit yourself. That's here. Put your hand on your head. There you go. That's the same thing. Makes an O for okay. Love it!
I am Olena. This is Isaac.
And we are the Travel Bug Bite.
We met in Prague, Czech Republic,
Lived in Shanghai, China.
New York, and Rhode Island, USA.
And now we live in Hawaii.
We've traveled from Tibet to Puerto Rico.
Harbin to PP.
And drove cross-country with Smiley in our Tesla Model 3.
Subscribe to follow our adventures.
If you liked our video, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Check out our videos from all around the world and let us know what you'd like to see next.
Thanks for watching!